Sawadee krap, mga Dabawenyos! Malapit na mag-August. At alam nyo anong meron sa August? Madaming holidays! So wala na kayong rason bakit hindi makatravel. Ano yun? Malapit na pero wala ka pang visa? Konti lang budget? No worries! We got you covered from August 13 to 17 for 5 days and 4 nights. Experience the
wonders of Thailand.
Discover the culture of our Southeast Asian neighbors. Enjoy the food, go shopping, at marami pang iba. Tingnan nyo naman ang itinerary. Ang dami nyong pupuntahan. Hindi ko rin alam paano sila bigkasin. Anyways, imagine mo, di lang isa, kundi 2 popular cities ang pupuntahan nyo. Bangkok at Pattaya. And no visa needed. So ano pang hinihintay nyo? It's time to Sawadee ka at Thailand with Chrisma Travel and Tours.